The biggest benefit of Daniel's credit program is that, you're able to live a better life with better credit, and a lot of people don't give too much importance, of just raising your score. And each little point that you get to raise makes a big difference in the quality of your life. You could buy your house, what car you can get. Every decision in your life is based on your credit. So that is the most important thing, that they teach you at Daniel's credit company.
The biggest benefit of working with Daniel when it comes to credit, it's the fact that he's not just doing the work, he's leading you and teaching you, so you know exactly what's going on and you can duplicate the same thing once you're done or keep moving forward within the process.
The biggest benefit of working with Daniel as far as my credit goes, I saw an increase in the first year of over 100 points. I was able to take out my first car under my name, and I qualified for credit cards that I haven't before in the past.
The biggest benefit of Daniel's credit program is being able to be a superstar with your credit. It is so important to have a reliable credit, not only score, but having the right type of credit lines and knowing where to invest with your credit. Having good credit is like making smart investment to yourself. It's a self-investment that you must learn how to master. So his academy and his credit program allows me to be educated so that I can also educate my consumers. I work with a lot of realtors, often on their own have bad credit themselves, let alone the buyers that they're working with. Many of them don't know how to guide buyers into restoring their credit. So his program not only helps people in general, but it also specifically helps realtors that then help buyers prepare for their journey of owning a home.
He put my mind at ease. I was recently divorced about 4 years ago, and I ran the business with my husband. When we divorced, I found myself in a lot of debt. He made the entire process, which was stressing me out, keeping me up at night, he made it so simple. He attacked one thing at a time, and we took care of things in a logical way that I could have never even thought of doing on my own. Daniel is an expert, he's a professional, he knows what he's doing when it comes to credit. He's been in this industry for a very long time, decades.